Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and allow your eyes to gently close. Take a moment to settle in, letting the weight of your body sink into the floor or chair beneath you. As you begin to relax, bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension you may be holding on to. With each inhale, breathe in love, and with each exhale, breathe out fear. Feel the air flowing in and out, nurturing your body with warmth and peace. Now, picture a beautiful golden glow surrounding your body. This radiant light is a source of love and safety, enveloping you in its warmth. Imagine this golden glow flowing through your body, calming each muscle, soothing every nerve. With each breath, you draw in this golden energy, letting it fill you completely. In this peaceful state, remind yourself, I am always safe in my body and in all of my relationships. It is safe for me to have boundaries. It is safe for me to give and receive love. Continue to breathe in that love and light, letting it flow through you, washing away any lingering doubts or fears. As you breathe, you may notice your mind beginning to wander. That is perfectly okay. Each time it does, gently guide your focus back to your breathing and the golden glow that surrounds you. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more anchored in this moment, fully aware of your body, your breath, and the serenity around you. Now, visualize a tranquil scene, a quiet forest or a peaceful beach, wherever feels right for you. Imagine the colors, the sounds, the sensations of this serene place. Feel the gentle breeze or the warmth of the sun on your skin. Allow this visualization to deepen your relaxation and bring you more into the present moment. With each inhale, absorb the peace of this imagery, and with each exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. As you breathe in and out, affirm to yourself, I am worthy of love and peace. I allow myself to relax and be present. Feel the golden glow intensifying with every positive affirmation, reinforcing your sense of safety and love. In this state of deep relaxation, remind yourself that it is your inherent right to feel calm and at ease. It is safe for me to love and accept myself. I am worthy of love just as I am. I embrace my uniqueness and celebrate my individuality. I deserve to be loved for who I truly am. Love flows freely to me and through me. I release all doubts about my worthiness of love. I am enough in this moment and every moment. Imagine a warm, loving energy surrounding you, filling you up with joy and acceptance. Visualize this energy radiating outwards, drawing in the love and support you deserve. See yourself surrounded by loved ones who appreciate you for who you truly are, feeling their affection and support. I am worthy of feeling safe in my body and heart. Every day, I am creating a secure and nurturing environment for myself. Financial security is my birthright and I embrace it fully. I attract abundance and opportunities that align with my worth. I deserve to feel safe and supported in every aspect of my life. My self-worth is not dependent on external circumstances. I am enough as I am. I give myself permission to pursue my dreams and financial goals. Feeling safe allows me to thrive and reach my full potential. I celebrate my achievements and honor my journey to financial freedom. I trust myself to make choices that enhance my sense of safety and security. Each time you return to this meditation, you will deepen your ability to embrace this sense of inner peace. Now, start to bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Notice the space around you, the surface you are resting on. Take a moment to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently awakening your body with movement. As you prepare to close this session, carry this feeling of peace with you into the rest of your day. Remember that you are always safe and loved. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment, bringing the tranquility of this meditation with you.